Want to unlock that killer move that leaves defenders guessing and goalkeepers scrambling? Today, we're mastering the fake shot in FC24. The fake shot is a fundamental skill move that brilliantly deceives your opponent, making them commit to a tackle or position themselves incorrectly. It's your secret weapon for creating space and those crucial scoring chances. Here's how to execute it. First, when you have possession and a defender is closing in, you need to initiate the shooting animation. Press and hold the shoot button. Now, the key is the timing. Immediately after pressing shoot, you're going to cancel that animation by pressing the sprint button. So, the sequence is shoot button, then quickly sprint button. Think of it as a fake shot followed by an immediate acceleration. The timing is crucial to slow, and your opponent will see it coming too fast, and the animation might not even register. Practice this rhythm: shoot, then sprint. You'll see your player start the shooting motion and then immediately change direction or accelerate. Notice how the defender leans in, anticipating the shot, but your player pulls out of it, creating an angle for a pass or a clean shot on goal. You can also use this to change direction after the fake shot. Immediately flick the left analog stick in the direction you want to go. This combination is incredibly effective for beating defenders 1-0. Mastering the fake shot will add a new layer of unpredictability to your FC24 gameplay, giving you the edge you need to dominate the attack. Keep practicing this valuable skill move, and you'll be scoring more goals in no time.